Hi, my name is Michael. I'm the product manager here at Silverback, and today we're going to be talking about this particular product. This is Spill Sweep. It's bio-organic absorbent, and it's ideal for all workplaces. Ideally used on hydrocarbons and liquids like that. But I'm going to demonstrate how it works here this morning. This is just a little 5-litre jug that we have on this product. You normally find this in all our 20-litre and 40-litre spill kits. And it's ideal, simple for little spills like this. So we know what this spill is. We've loaded bill that we're going to clean the spill up. We've already looked at the SDS. We know it's not dangerous and we can use this product on it. So what we do is we surround the spill. We make a bit of a barrier to stop it from getting down to any drains that it's heading towards. And then we surround it all and we cover it, give it a nice covering. Because once it's covered like this, it suppresses any of those odors that may be coming from this particular product. So what you need is a good broom, stiff broom. Why do we have this broom? So we're further away from the spill. We're not going to be right in there if there is any fumes, but now we've covered it, there shouldn't be any fumes. Now what we need to do is we need to start working that in. You can see as I sweep, it's still a little bit wet there. And this is the key to any absorbent, is to work it in, because you want to absorb that liquid. Make sure you get a good covering, make sure you're picking up any of the loose liquid that's around. That is completely absorbed up and is still quite good. It's not leaching out any liquid, it's contained in there. So you need to dispose of it according to the EPA rules in your area. But EPA states that up to 100 kilos of this particular product can be disposed in your general waste bin, but make sure you follow your company instructions and their rules and your local council rules as well for disposing, and that's only according to the SDS, so that is for hydrocarbons only. It's a great product, it's biodegradable, and it's good for the environment, and it's supporting our local farmers. And it's available at Silverback and all the www.silverback.com.au. Thank you for watching today.